Hello, my name's Teena Crawford. I'm a botanical guide and my area of expertise is in relation to plants, gardens and the use of plants and nurturing plants in gardens. I recently visited Africa and I'm so excited to be returning, so please come and join me. Africa is an exciting area to explore. The people, the architecture, the natural landscape and man-made gardens. And it's particularly the plants and the diversity of plants that excites me so. Many of African plants, you actually will be interested to hear that you actually already grow them in your own gardens. Plants like clivias or kaffir lilies, like your agapanthus, African daisies, arctotus, are all plants that you would be growing at home in your own garden. That you grow them at home in your own garden because the climate is very similar. In this southern part of Africa, it's one of the most botanically diverse areas in the world with over 24,000 species of plants. And so everywhere we go, the vegetation changes. So we'll be visiting mountainous areas and then we'll be visiting desert areas. And so you're going to see a broad range of plants and garden styles. The diverse and standout experiences on this trip, firstly, are the wildflowers. We're there in early spring. This is an area in the world which has high rainfall, therefore has fantastic wildflowers. The second standout highlight for me is Kirstenbosch Botanic Gardens. They have a wonderful collection of southern African plants, and it's the Kirstenbosch Botanic Gardens actually sit at the base of Table Mountain, so it's very, very picturesque in itself. But more importantly, they have this most amazing collection of the Proteaceae family, or the Protea family. So we would be all aware of the King Protea, a beautiful bunch of King Protea flowers in your vase at home. But the King Protea is the national floral emblem of South Africa. And the third highlight, something quite contrastingly different. It's a working farm, Babylon Storen. It's this holistic farm where they grow the produce and then they serve it at the table. They have a working farm. It has agricultural animals. It has an orchard with all sorts of fruit, and it has a vineyard where they produce their own wine. They have this most extraordinary garden, which is full of exotic plants from all around the world that suit their climate. And further to that, they have a garden area which is devoted to South African plants, particularly the fynbos region, which is down on the southern area of South Africa. One thing I should mention is the animals. So going back on safari and seeing some of the native wildlife will be a highlight, an added bonus. Travelling in Africa is very stimulating for all your senses. You travel around everywhere you go, there's different things to see, investigate, enjoy, take in. It's not just about the plants and gardens, it's about the architecture, it's about the history. I have travelled in many regions around the world, but when I travelled in Africa, I thought, well, what am I going to expect? But the people were friendly. It was easy travelling. It had delicious food. It was exciting. The culture, the gardens, the plants, the natural landscapes, the wildflowers. There's just so much to see and do. Please come and join me.